how do you install a kidney-shaped swimming pool safety cover? Well, this is a different process than, let's say, if you had a rectangle pool. If you have a rectangle pool, then you can buy what's known as an off-the-shelf cover, which is to say a cover that's just a rectangle, and they make them in all sizes. Just pick whatever size yours is and put it on the pool. If you have a kidney-shaped pool, that's not how it works. Anything other than a perfectly symmetrical pool requires a custom measured and custom manufactured cover for the pool. And in the situation of a kidney-shaped pool, that's exactly what you're going to need to do. Is you'll need to take an A/B measurement to create a plot of the cover, and then you submit that to the manufacturer, who renders that into a CAD program, creates a 3D image, and makes your cover from that. So if you have a kidney-shaped pool, you will need a custom-made cover. It used to be that some people would, let's say, buy a rectangle cover, which is slightly larger than the kidney shape that you're trying to cover. Isn't that just as good? The reality is it's not. And in the areas where the cover will be sitting over top of your pool deck, when the cover is put under load from the weight of water on it, if it's a solid cover, or snow loading if it's a mesh cover, will cause the cover to drag over top of that concrete that your pool deck's made from, and it will very prematurely wear away the straps and the panels of the safety cover. And that's why it's important to not just oversize with a rectangle cover on a non-rectangular shaped pool. If this information was helpful to you, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.